A taste of goodness. Okay guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Vanel Cooks, and today I'll be sharing the recipe for this very delicious, and I mean very delicious, coconut rice. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, please do the needful so we can get to it. Have you done it? Good, let's get right to it, y'all. Alrighty, so for our ingredients today, I already prepped some vegetables. I have some carrots, yellow onions, green bell peppers, red onions, some more green bell peppers, garlic, and some chopped up habaneros. Now you can replace these vegetables with any vegetable of choice, and you can completely omit it as well. Next, I'm going to go ahead and just chop up some green habanero. Now you can also replace this pepper with serrano, chilies, scotch bonnet, whatever pepper you find available or you prefer, or you can also completely omit the step. Now I'm just shaking it off to get rid of some of the seeds because I don't really need all that. Next, I'm just chopping up some more red onions to get started on my rice. Not forgetting our star ingredients of today's show are coconut milk, which is 100% homemade. So now to a pan, I just added some homemade coconut oil. To that I added my chopped up onions, some green bell peppers, a little bit of the sliced red onions, some yellow onions. I'll just give it a good stir and cook this for about 3 to 5 minutes. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add my habaneros or whatever pepper you are comfortable with and give it a good stir. I'm now going to grate a clove of garlic because I just love the fresh aroma that it brings. Alternatively, you can use the powder if that is exactly what you prefer. Next, I'm going ahead to add some ginger powder, some turmeric. You can use curry powder if you please. To that, I'll add some black pepper. Yes, the flavors are already building. Okay, give it a quick stir for just about 2 minutes, and then now I'm adding some chicken stock that I had. You can completely omit this step, or you can use any other stock that is available. You can use beef stock, turkey stock, whatever that is available. Okay, next I'm going to go ahead and thoroughly wash my rice until the water finally runs clear. So in this recipe, I washed the rice about 3 times till the water got clear. Okay, you can use basmati rice or even jasmine rice as I'm using for this recipe. So now moving back to what we have going on in the pot, I'm just adding my coconut milk. Now this is also homemade coconut milk. I'll leave the link to the homemade coconut milk and coconut oil down in the description box below, so feel free to check it out. Okay, so I'll give this a good stir and bring that to a boil for just about 5 to 7 minutes. So once that is done, I'm going to go ahead and add my rice, keeping in mind the tendency jasmine rice has to become fluffy when it's cooked. Give that a good mix, and that will help you determine whether or not you need to add some more water to your recipe. And of course, evidently I needed to add water, and so I did. Now in this recipe, the rice can get mushy very easily, like I said, so you would want to add water or your coconut milk to be at the same level as the rice, just so that your rice doesn't get mushy. Okay, cover that up and bring it to a boil. Once it boils, I'm going to turn down the heat, fluff this baby up a little bit. Yes, fluff it up a little bit, cover it up, and allow the steam to cook this until your rice is thoroughly cooked. Okay, oh my goodness, the aroma cloud in this kitchen right now is to die for. Once that is done, I'm going to go ahead and add my carrots first because it is a little bit tougher than the rest of the vegetables. So yeah, I'm going to add that in there, fluff it up a little bit, cover it up for just about a minute or 2 for the steam to work on the carrots. Okay, with the heat turned off at this point, we are going to go ahead and add the rest of our vegetables, and your rice is pretty much ready for enjoyment. Okay, head over to the kitchen right now and let's enjoy. Now coconut rice is very delicious, you guys. It smells incredible. I cannot even begin to explain this to you. Cover it halfway just so that your vegetables are not all the way cooked. Okay, use whichever vegetable you prefer. You can use the exact same ones I used or completely omit it. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. I really do hope you enjoyed yourself because I sure did enjoy this recipe myself. Until I see you next time, bye.